With Business Checking, you get a streamlined online banking experience with 24/7 support and no monthly fees. Connect your business checking account to eligible accounting software, merchant processors, mobile payment apps, and payroll platforms to keep your business operations organized and focus on your business's big picture. Connecting your business checking account lets you neatly track incoming deposits and outgoing expenses in one place. You can also connect your business checking account to thousands of other available apps through Plaid or Yodlee with enhanced safety and security. Ready to find out which tools you can connect? Get the full guide in the Help Center.